Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great facial acupressure points to really help rejuvenate the skin, help with glowing skin as well. We're also going to be finishing off with some lymphatic drainage, so we can also help with glowing skin by removing toxins and waste within the facial area. Now, first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, and I always like to use a little bit of facial oil, or you can use a face cream, just something so we've got a little slip and glide so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling. And so I have my facial oil here. Now, you only need a couple of drops, so just place a couple onto the fingers and then just massage that in, and then just gently apply all along the facial area. Not forgetting the side of the ears, and then just down by the side of the neck as well. So let's first of all start with our first facial acupressure point, and that is the chin area. So we're just taking our finger between the lips and the chin and just gently do a few gentle presses. So I'll come a little bit closer so you can see. It's just very gently pressing first. And then you want to work in a round circular motion one way, and then the other. This is a great one as well. It also helps with calming down the nervous system. And then the next points are where the lips are, just above the lips, well, just by the side, where if you give a little smile, you can see the corner of the mouth, and then we're just going to take our fingers on both hands and again gently press. This will also help if you have a slight droopy mouth. Few pulsations, and then just massage one way and then the other. And then when it comes to our next point, that's between the nose and the lips. So taking our finger, again, just very gently pressing. And then massage one way and then the other. And these are really great, particularly if you're into natural skincare without any procedures. This will really help with glowing skin. So now we've done this part of the face, we're now going to work on the cheek area. So where the pupils of the eyes are, come all the way down to cheek here, and just again a few gentle presses. And then a nice little circular motion. And then the other way. Then coming along just by the side of the ear here, again just a few gentle presses. And then a round circular motion. This will also help with glowing skin, particularly when we do the lymphatic drainage release. So again, we're massaging the other way now. Then when it comes to the nose area, we have some indentations either side of the nose. We can hold quite a bit of tension here. So we want to release that tension. So if you can just give those a few gentle presses again. And then massage one way. Go a little bit deeper if you feel any tight tension, and then just massage the other way. And then coming between the eyes here and just under the eyebrows, again just a few gentle presses, and then just massaging, releasing any tight tension around the eye area, and the other way. And then again coming to the pupil of the eye, coming down to where the bone is, and we really want to go very light here because the skin around the eyes is very delicate. So just a very gentle press in this direction here, and a very, very light, further light touch, massage one way and then the other. And then it comes to the temples here. So again, sometimes you have headaches or a bit of tension. This is a really great one to really do some gentle pressing and massaging. And if there's a little section you feel like you need a bit more time on, just please pause the video and just work a little bit more on that section. And just massage the temples, really nice and light. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. So it really does help calm down the nervous system, as well as getting oxygen to the neck and the facial area. And then massage the other way. And then we're going to come between the eyebrows here, just a bit further up. And again, a few gentle presses. If you like, you can take a couple of fingers if you want more surface area. And then massage one way. And then the other. And then again, where the pupil of the eyes, if you come up above the eyebrows, a great acupressure point. And then just massage one way here. And then the other. And then we're going to come to the crown of the head. We always forget about the head area as well. So to the crown of the head, again, just a few gentle presses. And then just massage the hair one way. Well, it is literally massaging the hair or massaging the head. Might mess up the hair somewhat, but it's fine. And then the other way. So once we've done that, we're just going to do a little bit on the ears here. So where the nova is here of the ears, again, just do a few gentle presses here. And then work our way up the ear, halfway along. A few gentle presses. And then to the top of the ear. You may be able to get your thumb in here. And then just thumb behind the ear part here, right in the middle, and then again, just very gently massage. So once we've done that, we're placing our fingers now onto our forehead, interconnecting our fingers, and with a feather-light touch, we're just now gliding down the forehead towards the temples. What we're doing here, we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, which is very close to the surface of the skin. And then using the ring finger, because we're working under the eyes, which is very delicate, working in an outwards motion. Now, I do actually have a playlist, so I'll leave that down as well in the description box down below. And I also have my own facial oil, which is absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely scent of bergamot. It's got 24 karat gold in it, rosehip oil, castor oil, which I absolutely love and adore, as well as argan oil. So it's really soothing on the skin as well. So if you'd like to check that out, that will also be in my description box down below. Thumb under the jawline, fingers above, just again, just a really lovely light, delicate touch, and then heading out towards the ears. And then with the fingers here, we're just going to gently glide at the front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ear to really help with glowing skin after our acupressure point facial. And then one hand at a time, just gliding down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And on the other side. Now, if you'd also like to leave a comment down below, tell me how you found this acupressure massage, that would be great. I'm in my mid-50s and I really do believe that facial yoga and facial massage is the way to go naturally without using any procedures, in a nice natural way. I've also been a facialist for the last 8 years, so I'm really passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So please tell me if there's any other facial massages or techniques you'd love me to share with you. So for the final lymphatic drainage release now, which I always like to finish off with, is from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the facial area after our facial acupressure point massage into the body, ready for elimination. So again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. It really helps push me out into that algorithm of people, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.